Wherever you're sitting down to a bowl of Post cereal, know that the journey to reach your table might be shorter than you think. We work hard to safely and efficiently transport cereal from our distribution centers to your favorite grocery stores. It starts at our 10 manufacturing plants across the United States and Canada. From there, our truckloads of cereal will head to one of 9 distribution centers strategically located across the United States. After a stop at the retailer's distribution centers, it's off to your preferred grocery store, whether a large retailer like Walmart and Kroger or specialty store like Trader Joe's and Aldi. All of this is done by our dedicated team members who work together 24/7 to ensure our delicious products are continuously available to ship so you can always enjoy a fresh and delicious bowl of Post cereal.